I'm going to back up my car before we even try, so like we have a clean escape.
Look at this fucking house.
The trash can looks like it's just been emptied. Look at that.
Wait.
Let's go to the door again.
No.
Come with me.
I'm scared.
It's alright.
You just told me that
Just believe.
No.
Oh my
No,
god,
I don't want to.
Oh my god, the barn door's open.
Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop.
The barn door's open. Flash the camera on it. Flash the camera on it.
Great. Let's go.
It just opened. It just opened.
Here.
No. I'm not gonna be scared of something I can't see.
No. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go inside.
I want you to go inside.
Give me
But
the
I'll
camera.
take off. Are you serious?
Look at the tire swinging.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh my god. It's swinging. It just went from dead not moving to swinging. Look, it's just gonna stop again. Look. It went from nothing to swinging, babe.
No, it didn't. It's the wind.
Give me the camera. I'm gonna go
It's
inside.
the fucking wind.
Give me the camera. I'm gonna go inside the barn.
Hold on. I'll go in the barn.
Flash onto the give me the camera, please.
I'm scared. I swear to God, I will leave you. I did not. I locked that. I locked it.
Excuse me. If there are any spirits here, please let us know of your presence. We are not here to harm you. We are here to investigate. Please.
Please lock all the doors. Please lock.
We're gonna give you a moment of silence. No, don't start my car. Do not. Get your keys off the hand. Please let us know of your presence. We have 10 seconds. No camera. 1, 2, 3, 10. You suck.
Lock the fucking doors.
No, my windows are rolled. I'm thinking about going in. A demonic presence hasn't. Should I go in?
Please lock the doors. Will you lock the doors for me?
No, that's not gonna happen. It doesn't matter if they locked or not. Should I go in the barn?
You can take the camera with you?
I'm taking the keys too.
No. Please. Let me have them. Go.
Oh my god! I'm going to the door. I'm gonna go to the door.
Go to the door. But I will be waiting for you.
Oh. I feel something.
What? What? What?
Nothing, like, I feel something. And I read in psychology books that if you feel something, like, you shouldn't do it.
No, you're scared.
Oh, a little bit, but it's because I feel something.